Hello students and welcome to my channel. In this video, we will learn about a person who inspires every Indian. An Indian American woman in space, Kalpana Chawla, chapter 4 of class 6. Kalpana Chawla believed in dreams. She believed that the path from dreams to success does exist. One needs to have the vision and courage to get it. Let's read about Kalpana Chawla. In 1997, an Indian American, Kalpana Chawla, was part of international crew aboard the US space shuttle Columbia, becoming the first woman born in India to go into space. Sadly, the second mission in Columbia ended in tragedy. So Kalpana Chawla was the first Indian-born American woman who went in space shuttle Columbia in 1997. Sadly, the second mission of Columbia with Kalpana Chawla ended in tragedy, killing her and all other crew members. Space Shuttle Columbia was the first space-rated orbiter in NASA's space shuttle fleet. That means it was a very good space shuttle. First time it was launched on April 12, 1981 and it served for 22 years. It completed 27 missions before disintegrating. Disintegrating means being damaged during its re-entry into Earth's orbit on its 28th mission on February 1st, 2003, which resulted in death of all 7 crew members. NASA is National Aeronautics and Space Administration. It is the space agency of USA. There was a news report, tragedy in space, US Space Shuttle Columbia breaks into flames. Tragedy is a mishappening, an event that causes great suffering, destruction and distress. So the report went like, in an unprecedented space tragedy. Unprecedented is something which has never happened before. In an unprecedented space tragedy, US Space Shuttle Columbia carrying India-born American astronaut Kalpana Chawla and 6 others broke apart in flames as it streaked over Texas towards its landing strip on Saturday. Streaked over means move very fast. So as Columbia was moving over Texas, Texas is a place where it was supposed to land, it broke into flames. That means it got fire. On 1st February, Saturday 1st February 2003, this happened on 1st February 2003, killing all 7 on board. The shuttle lost contact with NASA at about 9 a.m. as it came in for landing. So as it was coming towards Earth for landing, it lost its contact with NASA. It was flying at an altitude. Altitude means height. It was flying at an altitude of over 2 lakh feet and traveling at over 20,000 km per hour when ground control lost contact with the shuttle. Columbia had lifted off on 16 January 2003 from Kennedy Space Center. So it started its journey from Earth on 16 January 2003. It stayed in its orbit for 16 days with its 7 members, where they conducted 80 experiments before it started its downward journey towards Earth, which ended in tragedy. This space shuttle was good for 100 flights and this was his 28th flight. That means it could have done 100 flights, but it got damaged, it got disintegrated in its 28th flight. Now, Kalpana Chawla said that she never dreamed as a child in Karnal that she would cross the frontiers of space. Karnal is a small town in the state of Haryana, and as a child, Kalpana Chawla never dreamed that she could ever go to space. Frontiers means boundaries of space. She never dreamed that she could touch the boundaries of space. It was enough that her parents allowed her to attend engineering college after her graduation from Tagore School. Once she completed her school, it was a big deal for her to even attend engineering college. She got her bachelor's degree in science in aeronautical engineering. Aeronautics is the science of building and flying aircraft. So after her graduation, against great opposition from her father, she went for master's degree to United States of America. Her father was not ready to send her to United States, but she was determined to do further studies. So she went to US for her master's degree. and later she earned PhD in aerospace engineering. Kalpana Chawla was first Indian American women astronaut to blast off. Astronaut is a person who is trained to travel in spacecraft. So she was first Indian American women astronaut to blast off from the launch pad at Cape Canaveral, Florida, and participate in successful mission in space. So she was first Indian American woman to go to space and participate in successful mission. Her family from India cheered along with the staff at the Kennedy Space Center as they watched the Columbia lift off. So her family in the small town of Karnal, along with the crew members and other members in the Kennedy Space Center, they cheered, they encouraged, they cried in happiness when they saw Columbia lift off. That means Columbia going from Earth to space. This was her first journey in 1997 in space shuttle. Kalpana was born in Karnal, Haryana, but was a naturalized US citizen. So although she was born in Haryana, but she later became a naturalized US citizen. Naturalization is the legal act or process by which a non-citizen of a country can acquire citizenship of or nationality of other country. So she became a US citizen and she was married to flight instructor Jean Perry Harrison. So besides being an astronaut, she was also a pilot. She had the license of flying single and multi-engine land airplanes, single-engine seaplanes and gliders, and she was also a certified flight instructor. Let's see one question. Where was Kalpana Chawla born? Why is she called an Indian American? Kalpana Chawla was born in small town of Karnal, which is in Haryana, and she is called an Indian American because she was an Indian by birth and later she became a naturalized US citizen. Now going further. After qualifying as pilot, Kalpana began to consider another challenge, which was to apply for NASA's Space Shuttle program. So in NASA, she was first hired as research scientist. Research is who carry on experiments and research on various things. So first she was hired as research scientist, and in 1994 she was selected by NASA for training as an astronaut. When and why did she go to US? Who did she marry? After completing her graduation, Kalpana Chawla went to US for master's degree and she married to flight instructor Jean Perry Harrison. Fourth paragraph. When Kalpana Chawla was asked what is it like being a woman in her field, she replied, so astronomy is a field which is dominated by males. There are not many female in this field. So when she was asked what is it like being like a woman in this field, her reply was she never thought that she is pursuing her study or doing anything else while pursuing her study or doing anything else, that she was a woman or a person from a small city or from a different country. She, pretty much like others, she had a dream and she followed them, and luckily people around her also encouraged her to follow her dreams. They said that if that's what you want, do carry on. How did she become an astronaut? What gave her the idea that she should be an astronaut? Answer. After qualifying as pilot, Kalpana applied for NASA's Space Shuttle program and she was first hired as research scientist at NASA, and in 1994 she was selected at NASA for training as an astronaut. Her success as pilot gave her the idea that she can become an astronaut. Next paragraph. Kalpana's first space mission in Columbia was 15 days, 16 hours and 34 minutes long. That means almost 16 days, during which she revolved around the Earth 252 times, traveling 10.45 million kilometers. Her crew also included Japanese and Ukrainian astronaut, and they performed many experiments such as pollinating plants to observe food growth in space, tests for making stronger metals and faster computer chips. And this was all done for a price tag of about $56 million. Now next question. Describe Kalpana Chawla's first mission in space. So we have just read that Kalpana's first space mission in Space Shuttle Columbia was about 16 days long. During this time, she went around the Earth 252 times, covering 10.45 million kilometers. and the crew included a Japanese and a Ukrainian astronaut. The crew performed experiments such as pollinating plants to check food growth in space and conducting tests for making stronger metals and faster computer chips, all for a price tag of about $56 million. Next paragraph. On the Saturday night, when the news about Columbia disaster broke, there was shock and disbelief. Everybody was shocked and they couldn't believe that this tragedy could happen. And the town Karnal, where Kalpana was born, the night was sleepless. People were just glued to their televisions. They just wanted that to hear that this news has not happened. Somehow the crew, Kalpana Chawla and other crew members have survived. But unfortunately, it was not true. Kalpana, along with other crew members, were killed in the space tragedy. A journalist has written about Kalpana that she was a heroine. It takes enormous ability to become an astronaut. Enormous means huge, a lot of abilities. You need to know a lot about everything from biology to astrophysics to aeronautical engineering. And in this age of super specialization means you have to specialize in every field. You must have encyclopedic knowledge. Encyclopedic knowledge means you must have knowledge of everything. To be an astronaut, you need to have knowledge of everything. Her achievement is awe-inspiring. Awe-inspiring means very impressive. Her achievement from being a small town girl from Karnal to becoming an astronaut in NASA is awe-inspiring. It is very, very impressive. Let's see a question. What abilities must an astronaut have according to journalist? According to the journalist, one must have enormous ability to be an astronaut. They should have encyclopedic knowledge of every subject from biology to astrophysics to aeronautical engineering. For millions of young Indians, Kalpana Chawla, who was a girl from a small town and touched the skies, had become an inspiration. She sent a message to her college in Chandigarh when she was in Space Shuttle Columbia. The message was for the students of her college in Chandigarh. She said that the path from dreams to success does exist. You may have the vision to find it, the courage to get onto it. Wishing you a great journey. So she said that when there is will, there is a way. If you dream, if you can dream, you can achieve it. You just need to have the vision and courage to get those dreams, to make them a success. There will surely be many who start off on their journey to fulfill their dreams. And surely many people will get inspired. They have got inspired, and in future also they will get inspired by the life of this great person. Let's see one more question. What does Kalpana say about pursuing a dream? Do you agree with her that success is possible? Kalpana said that the path from dreams to success does exist. The only thing that one needs to have is courage and vision. Yes, I completely agree with her. So students, this was the chapter on great personality, great inspiring personality, Kalpana Chawla. I'm sure you must have got inspiration from her life. As the saying goes, shoot for the moon. Even if you miss, you will land among the stars. So dream, have big dreams, and try hard to achieve those dreams. Thank you for listening. Please like and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in my next video.